action happens so fast, it's faster than the eye can see. The P2400, the flash duration is so fast. It sees stuff that we can't see. Today we're going to shoot some flowers. We're going to be using this water bath, take a variety of shots where we're going to push flowers splashing into the water. It is all about actually the magic that happens when we photograph things at really high speed. Those things that you can't see with the naked eye and which make for really interesting imagery. The P2400 is a really great system to use. It's got a really intuitive menu that makes it easy to navigate. It makes sense. It talks a photographer's language. My name is Michael Bradfield. I've been a photographer for about 30 years. Over my career, I've shot a lot of different things. These days, I'm shooting a lot of still life. I'm shooting interiors. I'm shooting a lot of things where color is really crucial and precision is really crucial. So I need to rely on a system which gives me that control so that I can give my clients the thing that they're looking for.
G'day, mate. I'm good. Nice to see the flower man back again. Oh.
We're going to be using the Godox P2400s, which are terrific packs.
Oh, they'll hold up really well.
They're versatile. We've got fast recycling times, which helps us because we're going to be operating pretty quickly. We've got a fast flash duration, which is really important. And as you can see, it's all about colour, and colour consistency is key as well. So we're going to play with different modes in the pack and find the best result that's going to work for us today. The lighting is the primary thing, and then the lens and camera, that will come secondary. The lighting is the primary. I think about where the main light will come from, and so I'll start with one light and then slowly add lights to it. We're looking for precision and control, adding and subtracting the light to create the mood that we're looking for. We're going to give these a run and see how good they are. And so let's get started.
That's definitely what we want. So can we move this, just this guy can come back a little bit. There we go, down there.
You need to have a lighting system that can deliver high output when you need it. So these Godox packs are great, having a lot of power and also a range of power. I need the fast flash duration and I need the power at the same time. The P2400 packs are powerful, but also give us a fast flash duration, and that allows us to really freeze the action. So we'll be able to see like what's happening with the water that happens faster than the naked eye can see, but we can capture it in a still image.
So what I'm trying to do is emulate the feeling of pre-dawn light on water. So that little magical time
it is great
before the sun
having all that power in the 2400.
And so
all your control is on the ground, so it's safe. It gives you a lot more versatility with your set. You're not worried about having all that weight in the air. And 2400 is a lot of power. So depending on what you're shooting, you can choose different modes to address the priorities you have in your shoot. So if fast flash duration is most important, the freeze mode gets you up to 1/17,000th of a second, which is unbelievable. When your priority shifts to color accuracy, we have the standard color mode, which gives you stable color when that is your priority and you most need it, and slightly longer flash duration. And then it's got this optimal color mode, which is great where flash duration is not important and color is of the highest priority. And I can switch to that mode and know that I'm going to make my life so much easier in post-production. For this shot, we are going to use standard color setting for a faster flash duration. We're looking to really freeze the moment of impact as the flower heads are going to hit the water, and we're going to look at it from underneath. The faster flash duration is just outstanding. That's a good one, look at that. Oh, that flash there in the foreground, it's really held it. So I'm just going to get some shots just of the flower here that I can strip into that other shot where the splash looked good, and that fast recycle time, just as it moves around, it's great. That's really fast.
Packs are asymmetrical. I can plug another head in and it's not going to affect the power of the first head.
I can deliver that tiny little bit here and have a lot over there. All that stuff is really important. It's got this wireless sync system which integrates really well with my XP Pro. I can operate everything from my camera. I can make my changes to my lighting as I'm thinking, and it just makes life much easier. It's terrific. And of course, the system comes with flash heads that are really versatile. So the great thing about these LEDs, they're nice and bright, but also they're cool, so they're really safe. So when I'm focusing, I like to use the LEDs on maximum, of course, so that I can see everything in the viewfinder as brightly as possible. 60 watts is perfect for that. It's great, really bright. And then I can quickly change to the mode where I'm looking at it in its percentage, and it relates to how much flash output is there, and so I can get an idea of how it's going to look. I can start to get a sense of the mood of the shot. I can pre-visualize it really quickly. The Bowens S-Type mount gives us a whole array of light shapers that we can use. A huge number, which is terrific, but there really wouldn't be much good if we couldn't move the position of the bulb forwards or backwards. So having the zoomable head allows me to get the most out of those light shapers. Just try that. Just point that here, Michael. Oh, that's good. Look at that. Wow, that's great. It's sharp, it's dynamic. Oh, look at the colours in there. Zoom, 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 zoom. It's unreal. If only the flowers could be as reliable as the flash, it'd be much easier.